Hello everybody, we are from Group X and we will present about Rainforest by the Sea. My name is Abdul Ghafur. Introduction. One of the most biologically diverse forests in the forest are now as the rainforest by the sea. The forests are the breeding grounds for fish, shrimp, prawns, crab, shellfish, and snails. Mudskipper are found in mangrove forest. The mudskipper has made adaptation, so it can skim across the mud during low tide when the ground is covered in many places, traveling from puddle to puddle. And forests are also nesting site for many shorebirds and home to crab-eating monkeys and proboscis monkeys, fishing cats, lizards, sea turtles, and many more animals. For many species of fruit bats, like the down bats, mangrove blossoms, and fruit make up a large part the dire diet.
Hello, my name is Zufania Nifatul Aziza, and I will continue the text in the second paragraph. Mangroves have a very specialized adaptation that enable them to live in salty waters. Breathing roots allow them to survive in anaerobic sediments. Buttresses and above ground roots enable them to grow in unstable mudflats. Their foliage removes excess salt from the sap, and they conserve water to cope with periods of high salinity. Their seeds are buoyant to allow them to disperse and establish themselves in new areas.
My name is Fidanita. I will explain the reason mangrove forests are threatened habitats. Today, mangrove forests are one of the most threatened habitats in the world. Mangrove roots are very susceptible to pollutants like crude oil clogging the lenticels and continual flooding from artificial dikes and seawalls. Mangrove act as sinks which concentrate pollutants like sewage, toxic mineral, and pesticides and herbicides. Over time, the stress of the pollutants are reduced like large areas of mangrove forest. Mangrove wood also makes a superior kind of charcoal, and many trees are being cut down to sustain local charcoal industries. Mangrove forests are also being filed in for developments and as a form of mosquito control.
My name is Frederick Christian, and I will continue the previous text that is talking about public awareness and education about the mangroves. Public awareness and education about the mangrove forests may help protect them. It is necessary to involve local communities in managing and protecting their mangroves. Designated conservation areas may also save some of the forest. However, national governments have not been able to enforce laws and regulate development and industry to save the wetlands. Adequate provision for conservation and restoration have not been included in development of the mangrove wetlands.
Hello, my name is Dwi Yagusini. From the presentation, we can conclude that mangroves are coastal rainforests by the sea that have many benefits, especially providing shelter and breeding for animals. The mangrove forest habitat is now threatened from the Be Together Preserve Mangrove. Thank you for watching and see you later.